Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best electric bikes you can buy right now. I've compared 5 popular models to help you find the right mix of performance, range, comfort, and value without wasting your money. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Hoverfly Electric Bike for Adults, 26/16 models, 750W/500W peak motor, up to 20/15.5 mph, 48V/36V removable battery, up to 40-28 miles range, UL 2849 certified, electric bike for commute leisure trail. The Hoverfly Electric Bike for Adults is best known in the US market for offering an affordable entry point into electric biking while covering the needs of everyday commuters, recreational riders, and casual weekend cyclists. As electric bikes continue to gain popularity across America, many buyers are looking for practical transportation alternatives that reduce fuel costs and make daily travel more enjoyable. In real-world US use, the Hoverfly is commonly purchased by commuters traveling short to medium distances, college students navigating large campuses, suburban riders running errands, and recreational cyclists who want pedal assistance without spending premium e-bike money. One of the biggest strengths is the balance between simplicity and usability. Many first-time e-bike buyers don't need extreme speed or advanced performance features. They simply want assistance when climbing hills, riding longer distances, or reducing physical effort during daily travel. The 750W or 500W peak motor options provide enough power for typical American commuting scenarios. Whether you're riding through neighborhoods, bike paths, parks, or city streets, the motor assistance can help make rides feel less demanding. Another major advantage is the removable battery system. This feature is particularly valuable for apartment residents, condo owners, and people who store their bikes in garages or outdoor sheds. Being able to remove the battery for charging indoors adds convenience and security. Number 2. Electric Bike for Adults, 26-inch bike with 1000W peak motor, 20 miles per hour 50 miles electric mountain bike with 48V removable battery, 7-speed, front suspension, LCD display, UL 2849 certified. The 26-inch electric mountain bike with a 1000W peak motor is best known in the US market for offering more power and longer range capability than many entry-level commuter-focused electric bikes. It targets riders who want stronger acceleration, greater versatility, and the ability to tackle a wider variety of riding environments. In real-world American use, this type of e-bike appeals to commuters, recreational riders, outdoor enthusiasts, and people who regularly encounter hills or longer riding distances. One of the biggest strengths is the 1000W peak motor. Compared to many basic commuter e-bikes, the additional power can make acceleration feel more responsive and hill climbing more manageable. For riders living in areas with rolling terrain or steeper inclines, extra motor power can significantly improve the riding experience. The advertised 50-mile range is another major selling point. While actual range varies depending on rider weight, terrain, weather conditions, and assist levels, the larger battery capacity provides confidence for longer trips. Many Americans use e-bikes not only for commuting but also for recreational weekend rides, park exploration, campground transportation, and extended bike trail adventures. Additional range supports those activities more comfortably. The 7-speed drivetrain adds flexibility by allowing riders to adapt to changing terrain and riding conditions. This combination of pedal gears and electric assistance gives users more control over their riding experience. Number 3. Varun Electric Bike 500W peak motor, 24/26-inch all-terrain e-bike, up to 40 miles and 20 miles per hour, removable battery, 7-speed, front suspension, dual disc brakes, with free accessory pack UL 2849 certified. The Varun electric bike is best known in the US market for delivering a balanced mix of commuter practicality and recreational versatility. It targets riders who want an affordable electric bike that can comfortably handle neighborhood streets, bike paths, parks, and light trail riding without becoming overly specialized. As electric bikes continue growing in popularity across America, many buyers aren't looking for extreme speed or advanced mountain bike performance. Instead, they want a dependable e-bike that can help with daily transportation, weekend rides, and general outdoor recreation. That's where the Varun fits best. In real-world US use, this bike is commonly purchased by suburban commuters, college students, retirees, casual cyclists, campground travelers, and people looking to replace short car trips with something more enjoyable. One of the biggest strengths is the 500W peak motor, which provides enough assistance for most everyday riding situations. Whether you're tackling moderate hills, riding through local parks, or commuting to work, the motor helps reduce rider fatigue without feeling overly aggressive. The advertised 40-mile range is another practical advantage. For many American riders, that's more than enough for several days of commuting or an extended weekend ride before needing a recharge. The removable battery is especially useful for apartment dwellers and condo owners. Instead of bringing the entire bike indoors, users can simply remove the battery and charge it separately. Another major strength is the bike's versatility. The combination of front suspension, all-terrain tires, and dual disc brakes allows it to perform reasonably well across a variety of surfaces. From paved bike lanes to gravel paths and park trails, the bike offers flexibility that many commuters appreciate. Number 4. Electric bike for adults, 1500W divided by 1000W divided by 750W peak motor, up to 80/75/55 miles, 20 miles per hour e-bike, 26-foot tires lightweight e-bike for commuting mountain road sand. The electric bike for adults with motor options up to 1500W peak power is best known in the US market for prioritizing power and long-range capability. This bike is aimed at riders who want more than basic commuting assistance and are looking for stronger performance across a variety of riding conditions. In today's American e-bike market, many consumers are upgrading from entry-level electric bicycles and seeking more speed, range, and versatility. This model is designed to appeal to that audience. One of the biggest strengths is the availability of multiple motor configurations. Buyers can choose the version that best matches their riding style, local terrain, and performance expectations. The 1500W peak motor option is particularly attractive for riders who regularly encounter hills, carry heavier loads, or simply want stronger acceleration. In many parts of the United States, especially suburban and rural areas, extra power can make riding significantly more enjoyable. The advertised range figures are another major selling point. Long-range e-bikes have become increasingly popular among commuters, outdoor explorers, RV travelers, and people replacing car trips with electric bike transportation. For American riders who enjoy long bike path adventures, recreational touring, or extended commuting routes, additional range provides confidence and flexibility. The 26-inch tires help create a comfortable ride while maintaining stability on various surfaces. Whether riding on pavement, gravel, packed dirt, or light sand conditions, the bike is designed to handle a broad range of environments. Number 5. Clife Electric Bike for Adults/Teens Racer, 20 plus mph 21 speed peak 1200W brushless motor adult electric bicycles, 48V 10.4 a removable battery mountain e-bike, up to 55 miles, 27.5 by 2.1 tire e-bike. The Clife Electric Bike Racer is best known in the US market for blending traditional mountain bike styling with electric assistance and a performance-oriented riding experience. Unlike many comfort-focused commuter e-bikes, this model leans more toward riders who enjoy an active and sporty feel. In real-world American use, the Clife appeals to younger riders, fitness-minded adults, recreational cyclists, students, and outdoor enthusiasts who want an electric bike that still feels like a bicycle rather than a small electric scooter. One of the biggest strengths is the 1200W peak brushless motor. This level of power provides strong acceleration and enough assistance to handle hills, longer rides, and vary terrain comfortably. The advertised 55-mile range is another attractive feature for American riders who enjoy extended weekend rides, trail exploration, or longer commuting routes. The 21-speed drivetrain is one of the bike's standout features. Many e-bikes rely heavily on motor assistance, but the large gear range allows riders to stay actively engaged in the riding experience. That's my roundup of the top 5 best electric bikes. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or just looking for an easier way to get around, there's a great option here for you. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.